Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out. They'll ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Got the little box. And this is going to be coming from SoundCore, Anker, or Anker SoundCore. Is going to be their portable Bluetooth speaker. Be a nice little stocking stuffer to give somebody, or even a gift. Here we go. But really good quality. Their earbuds are really nice too. Great sound. Power, audio, protection. Anchor.com. Bluetooth. Like I said, it's SoundCore brand now. How do I open this? But definitely check them out. And they got a lot of goodies also, so definitely take a minute or two to browse around the Amazon store. And we're going to test this thing out. Got my phone right here, my backup. Oh, wow. Tiny little dude. All right. Size does not always matter. Bada boom, bada bing. We got something in here. Thanks for choosing Anchor. No problem. Got USB cord to charge it. Little guy. All right. Yeah, right there. Now I get this. You know how to do this. Anchor. And you get one of these. Nice little thick manual. But it's easy to set up. You know, just use your Bluetooth on your phone. Connect and la-di-da. You got music. Great for backyard parties, patios, your gym room. Here we go. Ooh. See? Doesn't always have to be that big. We got all the power, volume control, play, pause, Bluetooth right there. We got here the aux cord, power, and the mic. Right there. Really nice. Really impressive. It's not that heavy either. Definitely a nice item to have. Definitely a nice stocking stuffer. And now I'm going to turn this thing on. Whoa. You can see the blue light. And we know how to do, you know, search in Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth. That might help. What's it going to be called? Anker SoundCore. That must be it, huh? Pair. I guess we'll see it. Bam. That was easy. All right, let's test this thing out. Let me get non-copyrighted music. Turn it down for a second because of the ads. Or it is 126. Here we go. So you can pause your music, play. Really nice, great sound. Nice bass too. Definitely got the bass level going. Sounds good with the treble. You can see the speakers. So I mean, yeah, it definitely sound really good.